Oh my god, welcome back. Budgie Pretty One here. So, I'm gonna try to like post as much as I can because this is March. I'm gonna call this March Madness. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna like try to post more than 10 videos this month. So stay on the lookout for that. If I fail, I'm a failure to myself. But I'm gonna try to post. I don't know what the freak I'm gonna post about, but it's gonna be something because I need to make some more videos. So yeah, so today's video, you guys. It's almost springtime. My birds are chirping. They're courting. They want to start another generation. This time I'm going to be pairing up Cashew and Lylah together. I think this is Lylah's first clutch for the simple fact that she doesn't know what the freak she's doing. Instead of her being the female role, she's taking the male role and she's trying to, punk Cashew out. And I'm just looking at Cashew like, you gonna take that boy? And then he's over there just looking like, he kind of likes it, but he's kind of like intimidated at the same time. So I'm over here like, oh my god, Lylah, what are you doing? Because Lylah, she came from like, her other like friend, I'm not gonna say mate, but her other like friend was a female, so Lylah might be a dyke. That's kind of crazy. I don't know. I'm sorry for talking about her, Cashew. Okay, I'm sorry. But like, I think Lylah likes Nelly because she keeps staring at her, and I thought like something was up, but I never like really paid any attention. Like, I'm over here thinking that she's just like fascinated because she never seen any other birds besides Cashew. Like, I don't let Lylah associate with the other birds because like Cashew is tame and Lylah is kind of like, she will be influenced by the other birds. So like, she's on the borderline. She doesn't know if she wants to be my friend or if she wants to like fly away from me. So like, when I have Cashew with me, she sees that Cashew loves me, so she tries to like fly on my hands too when Cashew comes towards me. Now, if I was to let her associate with the other birds, my other birds don't like me for some reason. I don't know why. I just never tamed them like that, so they don't really like associate with me that much. But so I want her to be my friend, so I just let her associate with Cashew. But I will be pairing them up. It's probably gonna take a while, and I'm not kidding. When I had Cashew and Lylah in the small cage when I first got her, she went into the nest box a lot, and she just used to sit in there, and she used to like leave her feathers in there. She has not been back in there since like December, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm not gonna put too much doubt on her because I did doubt Nelly and Mumble having a clutch, so this is just gonna have to take time. I'm gonna let you keep you guys updated on what happens. But thank you guys for watching. Like if you want to, comment and subscribe if you want to, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Until next time, goodbye.